Hello viewers, this is Dr. Fast here. In today's video, I'll show you a couple of accessories I installed on my Nissan Rogue. I'll show you how I installed the 4-piece side window deflectors, and I also vinyl wrapped the A-pillar to change it from flat black to a glossy black. And lastly, I also installed metal sports pedal in the vehicle. These accessories are very simple to install, so let's get started. And inside the box you see there are the 4 window deflectors that are made specifically for this car. So this piece is for the back window. And this one here is for the front window. Now this blue strip you see here is actually just a protective tape for the chrome finish. After I install this, I'm going to remove this blue film. Let me show you what it looks like with the window deflector installed. So you place it in this position right here. And as I mentioned, there is a chrome strip along the top here. That is to match the original factory door right here. Now before you install it, you do have to clean the surface very well. In this bottle I have some rubbing alcohol. Spray some on a paper towel. And I'll just clean this area. Next thing you need to do is remove the backing on double-sided tape. Now you don't want to remove the entire backing strip here. Just part of it. And fold this back like this. And do the same thing with the other end. Also remove part of this backing here. Now carefully position this onto the door. Slowly pull back the backing and then press this down. You want to press and hold this down for about a minute. And that's it. Now this front driver's side window deflector is installed. Repeat the same procedure for the back window. Now I can remove this protective film. Here's a look at the driver's side. Now just repeat the same procedure on the passenger side. Here's a look at the passenger side. Here's a look at the A-pillar on this Nissan Rogue. As you can see, it has a matte black finish. I'll be wrapping it with 3M vinyl and making it gloss black. Here I have a roll of the 3M 2080 vinyl wrap. And this one is the gloss black. Now I know some of you looking at this might think, wow, this gloss black looks terrible. With a 3M 2080 film, there's actually a protective film on top of this. We'll go ahead and remove that film now. Now you can see the real gloss black on this vinyl wrap. And also with that protective film, you don't have to worry about scratching the vinyl while you're applying it. Now just repeat the same thing on the passenger side. We'll pull back on the protective film. Here's a look at the wrapped A-pillar and the installed window deflector. Here I'll be installing a set of sports pedal on this Nissan Rogue. And here's a look at the original pedal. The brake pedal has a rubber cover. I'll remove that and install a new cover. And for the gas pedal, the new pedal cover simply slides onto the existing pedal. Right here is a pedal cover for the gas pedal. And let me show you the back. As you can see, the back has grooves around the side and at the bottom. And the top's kind of open. So to install this, what you want to do is slide this right over the existing pedal. And it'll look like this after the install. And to make sure this pedal doesn't slip off, I will put a couple of pieces of 3M double-sided tape between the original pedal and this new pedal cover. Here's a look at the brake pedal cover, and here's a look at the back. Again, you have the groove around the side to slip onto the existing pedal, but with the brake pedal, you do have to remove the original rubber cover. Just carefully pull this off. And here it is. Now slip on the new cover. And that's it. Here's a look at the installed pedal cover. If you own a Nissan Rogue and you want to add some accessories to this vehicle, I hope you found this video to be helpful. For a list of these accessories, check out the links in the video description below. As always, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching this video. To support this channel, remember to click on thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell so you get notified of new videos.